tuple is an immutable collection of data. But there are very rare scenarios when you may have to modify the tuple. There is no way to modify the tuples, but programmers have still found a workaround. Hello everyone, welcome to the final session of tuples. And in this session, we will see how to update and join the tuple. Before that, I want to tell you how to declare multiple tuples in a single statement. Suppose you want to handle all the subjects and marks scored by a student using tuple. For this, we will write t1 comma t2 equal to then two tuples in round brackets. One will store the subjects and other will store marks. Print the tuple t1 and t2 using print statement. Run the code. Well, we got the expected output. We can declare multiple tuples in a single line with different value. It is just used to reduce the line of code and nothing important is over there. But still, you should know this. Let's get back to joining and updating the tuples. Suppose you have two tuples A and B with value 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, again, I have declared them in one line. Now write C equal to A plus B. Then print the variable C. Run the code. You see, you got the tuple with 8 values. Like list, tuple also don't add the numbers, but the number of element is increased. I hope you understood this. It will be pretty straightforward to understand if you have practiced list examples. Now, the most important thing, how to update the tuples. By definition, tuples are immutable. We cannot modify them. And it's true. So how to modify the tuples? The logic is, we can convert tuple into list, modify the list, and then create a different tuple from the list. Confused? Let's see with an example. Suppose we have tuple t with values 10, 20 and 50. Now we want to add 30 after 20 in the tuple. To do this, we'll convert tuple into the list. Write new underscore list equal to list and in bracket pass the variable t. It's called typecasting. It converts tuple into list. Now we'll insert 30 at index 2 in the list using the insert function. Now convert the list into tuple. Write t1 equal to tuple and in bracket pass the variable new underscore list. And then print the tuple t1. Run the code. See, you got the update value in the tuple. Actually, we have not modified the original tuple t, but we have created a new tuple t1 with updated values. We have used typecasting to convert tuple into list and then modify the list and convert it back into tuple. Well, this was all about tuple. We studied how to declare tuples, access tuple, and in very rare cases, modify the tuples. In the next session, we will study other data collection data types, that is set and dictionary. Thanks for watching.